Welcome back, students. This is second part of demand analysis topic. In this I am going to cover types of demand. So the types of demand, there are 5 types of demand. The question can be explain the types of demand. So first understand there are 5 types of demand. Number 1, direct demand. Number 2, indirect demand. 3, complementary or joint demand, then composite demand and competitive demand. So all the 5 types we will discuss. Number 1, direct demand. It is the demand by the consumer for goods which satisfy their wants directly. They serve direct consumption needs of consumers. So it is a demand for consumer goods. For example, demand for cloth, demand for sugar. That means we go, we purchase. That's all. It is directly we go, we pay money and we get the commodity. So this is what is called as direct demand. Indirect demand. Second point. Indirect demand is also known as derived demand. This is very important. This can be asked for true or false. Indirect demand is also known as derived demand. It refers to the demand for goods which are needed in the further production or process of production. It is the demand for producers' goods. So all factors of production, land, labor, capital and enterprise have indirect or derived demand, right? For example, demand for workers in sugar factory is derived or indirect demand. Demand for all the factors of production, they are called as indirect demand or derived demand. Land, labor, capital and enterprise, these are the 4 factors of production. So demand for factors of production have derived demand or indirect demand. Next, complementary or joint demand. When 2 or more goods are demanded jointly to satisfy a single want, it is known as joint or complementary demand. For example, car and fuel, bread, butter, shoes, socks, lace, pen, ink, they are considered as a complementary demand because only one commodity cannot satisfy the need. So we have to combine them, we have to join them. So it is called as joint demand. Next, composite demand. The demand for a commodity which can be put to the several uses is called as composite demand. For example, electricity. We are using electricity for various purposes. We put on fan, the light, washing machine, freeze, our mobile phone charge and all those things. So it is called as composite demand. And the last, competitive demand. It is the demand for those goods which are substitute for each other. There is a competition, right? So for example, tea or coffee, sugar or jaggery, right? So this is what is called as competitive demand. See, there is a lot of competition in the market. So whether we should go for if we take the example of cold drink, various cold drinks are available, so which we have to choose. There is a competition and of course according to price we change our demand. So this is what is called as competitive demand. So students, these are the 5 types of demand: direct demand, indirect demand which is called as derived demand, complementary or joint demand, composite demand, and 5th is competitive demand. So this is you have to write in the question of explain the types of demand, 5 types of demand. Thank you very much.